Wouldn't you absolutely love to feel great every morning, sleep well at night, not waking up at 3 a.m. stressing out about money or not loving your life? Would you love to wake up in the morning, feel great about your day, feel really good about what you do for a living, excited, passionate? Of course you would. That's because 85% of the people out there don't love their jobs. That is so sad, and that's how we function as a society. I'm Landria Onkka, and I'm going to talk to you today about a different way of life that I have found, that I live, and that I know works. And I'm going to give you a solution to change what you're doing that's congruent with the 21st century and what's happening on this planet with technology and the way we work and earn. There are ways for us to change our life that so many people don't know about because we're told we're supposed to go to college, get a job, and work, and then retire and stop working. We stop creating and expanding when we do that. We stop getting excited about life, right? We've all been there, where we just get into that job and we think, this is the rest of my life? You don't see the light at the end of the tunnel. I was in your shoes. I spent 25 years as an investment banker. It was a very exciting, successful career, don't get me wrong, but I wasn't passionate about it anymore. I stopped growing and creating. I wanted to be a writer. Is there something else that you want to do? Is there a life that you want to live that includes freedom, having time with family and friends, not coming home exhausted, or constantly chasing money, right? To pay the bills and feeling like you're not getting ahead. All of us function like this. You're not alone. I realized when I saw an ad just like this, there was another way for me to be highly abundant, productive, but really love what I do and to control that world. You see, I didn't feel like I was in control anymore. I was always chasing clients, always chasing the next dollar. I knew as an investment banker that people like you and I could create businesses. We could be business owners, even if we didn't have a background in business, even if we had no tech experience or all the things that traditional business owners have. It's not a requirement, but it does require an education. And I got that education. It's what I want to offer you today, a free workshop series. If you click somewhere here on the screen, I want to talk to you about this, how it's working. And yes, there are a lot of big money, quick money schemes out there. That's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about a real education online that teaches you actual skills that you will have for the rest of your life. Knowledge that you can use in the 21st century, maybe in your own position now, or maybe you want to create that business on the side that creates income for you, doing something you really love and having control over that. Being a business owner and learning how to be that business owner, but having all the support, the training, step by step, all the people supporting you to make that happen. And what if you want to quit your job like I did? I became a best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie. That was my dream. I now have written several other books. I continue to write for a living, and I have internet companies that support my dreams. All of it produces revenue for me. I love what I'm doing, and guess what? I make more money now than I did as an investment banker, all from these skills, and I really mean that. You may have seen me on CEO Money or other talk shows. I truly believe in what I promote because it's changing people's lives. You should be excited and happy every day. It's possible. Click somewhere here on the screen or below. There is a link that you can click on to take you to a workshop series. It's a video series. My mentors will show you how the training system works. It's a step-by-step module that anyone can go through if you're willing to put the time and effort in to learn something new. This is an education system, and it's also a business system that is in place that you don't have to have products and services to start. It's all in place for you, but you have to learn it and implement it. You're going to have support, an amazing community of people, like-minded people like us, who said no more, are going after new lives, new skills, new dreams, and making it happen. This is an amazing community. Online education is getting bigger and bigger because people know the old systems don't work. I'd love for you to join us and at least check it out. You can unsubscribe, click on here, unsubscribe anytime. But if you are skeptical or you don't know what it is, Go check it out and make up your own mind like I did. It was life-changing for me. I've been doing this for almost 6 years, and I love every day. I no longer wake up at 3 a.m. sweating, wondering how I'm going to make more money or who's going to be my next client. People come to me because I bring value, and I learned how to do that. You won't be alone. This training system is amazing. It's the Harvard of online education as far as I'm concerned. So please, if you'd like to check it out, click somewhere here on the screen below. Come on over. Let's look at it together. You can ask questions and decide for yourself. It's a new world for you if you choose. Thanks for listening.